Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's me again, and today we're gonna be doing a little tutorial on how to make a hue shift or a color changing effect. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get your clip ready. I have my clip, a solo clip right here, and now that I have this clip, I'm gonna go to 916. I'm gonna go to position and size, or you could just what do you call it? You could go to crop. Then crop ratio, make it from 3 to 916. Now you got the confirm, or you could just move it slightly to the left and you're good. Yeah. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to increase the size now because it's not fitting the portrait. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna match this to the sound. So I have that, and I'm gonna extract the audio just like this, and I'm gonna delete it because we don't need the audio right now. And here's where the steps get more interesting. So what we're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to import right here, and once you're in import, you're gonna want to find like overlays or anything with a hue shift. So what I'm gonna tell you is like this hue shift overlay right here is, I'm gonna put this in the Google Drive link in the description. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to do this now. Make sure you download it from the description. And now what you can do is, once you have this, go to blend, then mode, change it to overlay, and you can make this 50 or something like that. Yeah, so you have 50 right here, or like make it even like a little lighter if you wanted to, something like this. Yeah. So, and now this is a bit too slow. So what we're gonna do is speed. I'm gonna make this thing 5 times, and here we go. Yeah, so we have the fast hue shift, and so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add like a little split here, right here. I'm gonna add like a mirror effect, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this again, like I'm gonna add like a fade in effect 0.5, and say the fade out effect for this. So let's see now. Yeah, so we have like that little effect that I use a lot, and it doesn't really look good right now, but if you add shakes and velocity and other effects, it will look way better. So yeah, I'll show you guys a velocity tutorial like next Sunday. I just post every Sunday. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe if you love this, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.